Hello classmates, I'm going to show you how to make a perfect fried egg. So for this, you're going to need 2 eggs, a little of butter, a little of salt, a frying pan, a kitchen towel, a plate, and a stove. So the first thing you're going to do is put the pan on the stove and add a little of butter. Then you can start the flame and then you can hit the egg against the pan. So just wait for 2 minutes. Now you insert to the stove under the egg and turn face and add a little of salt. Then you can wait for 4 minutes and this is ready. Now you can move the egg to the plate and enjoy this easy recipe.